Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a horn on a Hyundai Elantra. First, listen to your horn. Does it sound weak or not at all? A weak sound might indicate a different issue than no sound. Next, confirm your car battery is fully charged, as low voltage can affect horn performance. Finally, press the horn button firmly to see if there's any response before diving deeper into diagnostics. Now, let's check the electrical components. Find your Elantra's fuse box, usually under the hood or inside the cabin. Look for the horn fuse, which is often a 10-amp or 15-amp fuse. Visually inspect it for a broken wire. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Also, consider swapping the horn relay with another identical relay from a non-critical system to see if that resolves the issue. Moving on to the horn unit itself. You'll typically find the horns mounted near the front bumper or behind the grille. Carefully inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of corrosion, fraying, or loose connections. Use a multimeter to confirm that power is reaching the horn when the button is pressed. If power is present but the horn remains silent, it's likely time to replace the horn unit. If the fuse, relay, and horn unit are all functioning correctly, the problem might lie with the clock spring inside your steering column. This component allows electrical connections to the steering wheel while it turns. While inspecting the clock spring can be more involved, also check for any obvious damage or disconnections in the wiring leading to and from the steering column. For complex electrical issues, seeking professional assistance is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.